I'm not ready for this. Quick video today, we're going to be doing the crafter side repeater install. The first thing we're going to do is pop the glass out. We don't want to come off, there we go. So I've grabbed a T15 screwdriver and we're going to undo these 4 screws. So with the 4 screws removed, we need to pop the 2 back covers off the wing mirror. So with all the wing mirror parts, we just need to unplug the light now, just like so. Now it's time to reassemble. Okay. At this stage I'm going to put 2 screws in just to keep the wing mirror sort of in place as we put it all back together. Now the top cover. So we've got 2 more screws to install in the top 2 and then we can put the glass back in. And that's the job done.